Dear students, today we see the topic construction of analytic function. In the last two lectures, we discussed the analytic function and properties of analytic function. In this lecture, we are going to see the construction of analytic function based on Milne-Thomson method. In this method, we have two types of formula. First one, the real part u is given, how to find the f of z. Now consider the function f of z equal to u plus iv. Taking derivative of f dash of z with respect to x, we get f dash of z equal to ux plus ivx. By CR equation, we know that Vx equal to minus Uy. Here substitute, we get Ux minus Iuy. In this method, U is given, so you want to change the equation f dash of z in terms of U only. Then we take the integrate, we get f dash of z as f of z equal to integral of ux of z comma 0 into dz minus I integral of uy of z comma 0 into dz plus c, where c is the complex constant. The second one, if the imaginary part v is given, how to find the f of z? Here f of z is u plus iv, then take the derivative with respect to x, f dash of z is ux plus ivx. Here v is given, so you want to change the equation in terms of v by using the CR equation. Ux equal to vy, you change it ux plus ivx as vy plus ivx. Then integrate the above equation, you get f of z equal to integral of vy of z comma 0 into dz plus I into integral of vx of z comma 0 into dz plus c, where c is the complex constant. Now we move on to the problem. The first one, find the regular function whose imaginary part is e power minus x of x cos y plus y sin y. Here they give the imaginary part, so we take v equal to e power minus x of x cos y plus y sin y. To find f of z, we use the formula f of z equal to integral of vy of z comma 0 dz plus I integral of vx of z comma 0 into dz plus c. So here you want to find vy of z comma 0 and vx of z comma 0 by using v. So you use the uv method. Differentiation of uv is uv dash plus vu dash. Here u is e power minus x and v is x cos y plus y sin y. Now we take the derivative. Vx equal to, here u is e power minus x, then take the derivative of v with respect to x only. So when you take the derivative with respect to x, you got only cos y. Here the derivative of x is 1, so you got only cos y. Then plus v is x cos y plus y sin y. Then take the derivative of u. Here u is e power minus x. You take the derivative of e power minus x, you got minus e power minus x. In this equation, you want to find the ux of z comma 0. Now you substitute x equal to z and y equal to 0 in this above equation. Then we get Vx of z comma 0 as e power minus z. Here cos y is 0 because y is 0. Then z into minus of e power minus z. Now take e power minus z outside. You get 1 minus z of e power minus z. Therefore, Vx of z comma 0 is 1 minus of z into e power minus z. Next we find Vy of z comma 0. Now take b equal to e power minus x cos y plus y sin y. Then we multiply e power minus x on both two terms. So we get b equal to e power minus x cos y plus e power minus x y sin y. Then take the derivative with respect to y. By using the uv method, we get Vy equal to x e power minus x. Then cos y, you differentiate means minus sin y. Then e power minus x, you differentiate y sin y. By using the uv method, you got y cos y plus sin y. Then we find Vy of z comma 0. Now you substitute x equal to z and y equal to 0 in the above equation. We get e power minus z of 0 plus 0 plus 0. Because here sin y is 0, here cos y is 0, here sin y is 0. So Vy of z comma 0 is 0. Now by using the Milne-Thomson method, you know uy of z comma 0 is 0. So this term becomes 0. Next one is plus I into integral of Vx of z comma 0. Here Vx of z comma 0 is 1 minus z of e power minus z dz. Now integrate the equation f of z. We get by using the Bernoulli formula, integral of u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus etc. Here you take u equal to 1 minus z, u dash equal to minus 1. Then we take dv equal to e power minus z dz. Here we integrate this equation, you get v equal to e power minus z by minus 1. Then again one more time you integrate the equation v1 equal to e power minus z by minus 1 the whole square. Now substituting these values in this equation, you get I of 1 minus z into e power minus z by minus 1 minus of minus 1 into e power minus z by minus 1 the whole square plus c. By simplifying, you get I of minus 1 of 1 minus z e power minus z plus e power minus z plus c. Finally, you get the value f of z equal to iz e power minus z plus c. Next, we move on to the problem to determine the analytic function whose real part is given. Here, u equal to sin 2x by cos h2y minus cos 2x. To find f of z, you use this formula. In this formula, you want to find ux of z comma 0 and uy of z comma 0. Here you want to find ux by using the formula differentiation of u by v. Here the numerator u is sin 2x and the denominator v is cos h2y minus cos 2x. Then you differentiate ux, you get cos h2y minus cos 2x into 2 cos 2x minus of sin 2x into 2 sin 2x divided by v square. Then similarly we find ux of z comma 0. Here you substitute the x equal to z and y equal to 0 in this equation. You got 2 cos 2z into 1 minus cos 2z minus of 2 sin square 2z divided by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. Now you multiplying 2 cos 2z into 1 minus of cos 2z, you get 2 cos 2z minus 2 cos square 2z minus 2 sin square 2z divided by 1 minus cos 2z the whole square. you know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. In this, by using this, we simplified the equation 2 cos 2z minus 2 divided by 1 minus cos 2z the whole square. Then you take minus 2 outside, then cancelling 1 minus cos 2z, finally you get minus 2 divided by 1 minus cos 2z. You know that 1 minus cos 2z is 2 sin square z, then substitute here, then 1 minus of sin square z is cos square z. So ux of z comma 0 is minus of cos square z. Similarly, you find the uy, then find uy of z comma 0 equal to 0. Now finally substitute in the Milne-Thomson rule. You get f of z equal to ux of z comma 0 is minus of cos square z dz, then minus of integral uy of z comma 0 is 0. You know that integral of cos square z is minus of cot z. Therefore, f of z equal to cot z plus c. Next, we move on to the problem 3. If f of z equal to u plus ib is an analytic, then they give u minus b equal to e power x cos y minus sin y. Then find f of z. Here given u minus b is this one. Differentiate the equation with respect to x. You get ux minus bx is e power x of cos y minus sin y. Then find ux of z comma 0 minus bx of z comma 0. So substitute x equal to z and y equal to 0. You get e power z. Then differentiate a partially with respect to y. You get uy minus by is e power x of minus sin y minus cos y. Now you find uy of z comma 0 minus by of z comma 0 equal to minus of e power z. Now adding 1 and 2, you get minus of 2 bx of z comma 0 is 0. From 2 we get ux of z comma 0 is e power z. By using Milne-Thomson rule, you substitute ux of z comma 0 is e power z, then find f of z is e power z. These are all the practice problems. Here I give video lecture and some important books. Thank you.